Okay, so today I'm gonna show you how to register for Multisim NI version. So as I've already uploaded the link, if you don't have, I will put it in my description. So you open the link where it bring you to this interface. Okay, so permit me to separate this page out of that one. Okay, so you scroll down, then you find login to download. Then you click on login to download. No thanks. It's just a disturbing interface. They are just cookies trying to pop up. So you just have to refresh the page. Okay, so here bring the main motive of this video, where you have to get a user account by clicking on create account just to access into their website. So you create an account before you'll be able to access to their website. Okay, so here is where you put in your credential for submission. So you have the first name, your last name, and your role. Your role shouldn't be engineering. When you choose engineer, they will ask you for your company details, of which you don't have, so you have to select for student instead. And here you use your password. The password should be a minimum of 8 characters. So we just have to enter your name and your last name. Select student. You detail in with your email, multisim14.3 at gmail.com. So I intentionally created this email purposely for this particular video. Detail in with your password. Afterwards, then you click on create account. But you have to make sure that everything that you've entered is correct. Okay, so here they have already sent you the email, the confirmation email, to the email that I use for your registration. So you have to log in with that particular email to access their email which has been sent to you. Then you click on the link to confirm the email that you want to use it. So let me change it to that particular email that I use, which is Multisim. So in this interface, when you are not seeing the message which has been sent, you just have to click on refresh page. So you continue refreshing until the message has been pop up. If it is not popping up, it means the details that I used for registration, maybe you made a mistake somewhere. So you just have to go back and recheck the email, the details. So you just have to click on the back arrow which is located here. That's the back arrow. Yeah, so you realize that for the email there is a mistake with it. Why I intentionally did this because I know people are complaining about it, that they have already entered the correct email, but then still they are not receiving the message. So here is your confusion coming out from. You just have to go back and cross check it again. After you enter everything, then you have to click on create accounts and wait the message to pop up again. Okay, so here is your interface. You just have to log into your email, change it to the one particular that you use. So you continue and refresh the page. Another alternative is if you're not seeing the message, you just have to get back to this interface. Then I click on resend and wait till the message has been updated. Okay, so we are done with the resend by clicking. Then you return to your email. Here's your email. Then you return to your email. You do what to refresh the page again. Okay, so here is the message. So you click on this first link, then you open. It will bring you here. Okay, so you select I would like to receive this email, then you click on continue. Okay, here bring the end of the day concerning about how to register for Multisim NI version. Do wait to follow to my channel, subscribe and comment for more updates like this. Thank you.